Matthias, you ready to get your hair cut?
Yep.
You happy to get your head shaved and all happy to let your head breathe?
Yeah.
I'm really proud of you. I'm happy that you're doing this for a lot of people out there that are fighting cancer. What do you think?
I think it's gonna go to a good use.
Awesome. Proud of you, bud.
Alright, what's up, bro?
What's up?
You good?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. I'm alright. I'm just hanging out. You know, ready to cut your hair, bro. Ready to cut all this hair off, right?
Yeah.
Darn right. Okay, so I got a couple questions for you before we start your haircut. From what I understand, you are doing this for a very special cause, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the cause that you're doing it for?
Because my dad's uncle got lung cancer.
Mm-hmm.
I went to a few of his appointments. Daddy took me out of school for a few of his appointments, and I knew what was happening. And Daddy told me that the treatment took away the hair, takes away hair.
Oh.
And that's the only reason why I'm gonna donate my hair.
Okay, beautiful. And when you cut your hair off, what are you planning on doing with it? You're planning on donating it for other people who have cancer that need like wigs and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah? That's awesome. That's awesome. So you want to inspire other kids your age and possibly younger or even older to do the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, well, I think you're doing a great job and I think this is an awesome move that you're doing. And yeah, let's get to the haircut then and get all that haircut off so we can send it to a good cause.
Yeah.
All right, bro?
Yeah.
All right, let's get her done, okay? Aw, pigtails. Yeah, which one should we cut first?
The top.
This one?
finish it off.
Blow some color on there too if you want to grab that.
It's vibrating when I hit stuff.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think of the cut, bro?
It's amazing.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Looks pretty fresh, bro. Look at those crispy corners. Everything looks fresh, bladed. Little color enhancement and all that. Check it out, guys. So you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, brother. I think you got something to say, right? You want to say something to the camera?
This is for you, Mahanaja. I love you. Rest in peace.